Welcome to Sika Speaks. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pharmaceuticals as we explore the concept of bioequivalence and its crucial role in drug development. If you're curious about how generic drugs are approved, their cost-effectiveness, and what it all means for patients like you, stick around as we unravel the science behind bioequivalence. Understanding bioequivalence. 1. Bioequivalence refers to the similarity and bioavailability of two drugs containing the same active ingredient. In other words, it's about ensuring that a generic drug performs just as effectively as its branded counterpart when taken at the same dosage. But why is this so important? The need for generic drugs. 2. Generic drugs play a crucial role in healthcare accessibility and affordability. They offer a more cost-effective alternative to branded medications, making essential treatments more accessible to a broader population. However, you might be wondering, how do generic drugs differ from their branded counterparts? 3. Drug development process for branded drugs. Voiceover. Before a new branded drug hits the market, it goes through a rigorous development process. This involves extensive preclinical studies and multiple phases of clinical trials, where the drug's safety and efficacy are thoroughly evaluated. These trials are typically conducted on a small group of healthy individuals and patients to determine the drug's pharmacokinetic properties. 4. Role of bioequivalence in generic drug approval. Now, let's explore how generic drugs get approved. To gain approval, generic drug manufacturers must demonstrate bioequivalence to the original branded drug. This is where bioequivalence studies come into play, ensuring safety and efficacy. 5. Bioequivalence studies are vital because they ensure that generic drugs are just as safe and effective as their branded counterparts. Patients can rest assured that when they take a generic medication, they will experience the same therapeutic benefits as the branded version. 6. Cost-effectiveness of generic drugs. One of the biggest advantages of generic drugs is their cost-effectiveness. Demonstrating bioequivalence, pharmaceutical companies save time and money during the development process, which ultimately leads to more affordable medications. 7. In some cases, pharmacists may substitute a prescribed branded drug with a bioequivalent generic version. This is typically done when permitted by healthcare professionals, and it ensures that patients receive the same quality of treatment at a lower cost. Regulatory approval and standardization. To maintain the highest standards of drug quality and patient safety, regulatory agencies like the FDA and EMA evaluate generic drug applications based on bioequivalence data. This standardizes the approval process and ensures that patients worldwide have access to consistent and reliable medications. Conclusion. And there you have it, an in-depth look at bioequivalence and its vital role in drug development and generic drug approval. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the science behind bioequivalence and how it impacts patients and the healthcare industry as a whole. Don't forget to like Sika Speaks for more informative content like this. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos,